What is up, guys and gals? Today I'll be looking at the Samsung Galaxy S25 silicone case. I'm just going to be taking a quick look at it, unboxing it, take a look at the packaging, and I'll install it on my device and see how it fits. So we'll just take a quick look at the box here. The packaging it says Samsung branding up the top. Has an image of the case. It does say Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra silicone case here. Side says silicone case. The other side says nothing. And then if we look on the back side, it does show us a price tag, $29.99, which just says silicone case, several different languages, some important stuff here. It says important and some information. Let's go ahead and open it up. I'd already taken a peek at it, so we'll open it up. That is all that's in the box, is this case here and some paperwork. Paperwork pretty much tells you how to install it, and then it's just got a bunch of different languages. So there's that. If we go ahead and just take it off of this paper, there is nothing else, just kind of helps hold its shape, kind of giving it that sturdy, beefy feel. And then just taking a quick look, we can see there's a big opening, and that's going to be for the camera, or for the cameras there, and then more for the flashlight and the other cameras. Take a look, we got volume up, down, we got the power button, a little opening here at the top. This side has nothing, and then we got for the S Pen for a speaker and the charging port. So let's go ahead and install this. The way I like to install it is using the side with the most buttons, which is this side here. It's got the volume up, down, and that power button. So I like to slide that side in first, and once that is in, I go ahead and just apply pressure on the back side, and it just pops right in. It is a nice and snug fit. Nothing is moving around, nothing is sliding, so that's a big plus there. It does have that nice, just kind of a silicone soft feel for just having a basic phone case. This would definitely do the trick, kind of minimalistic. So you know, the buttons click, everything seems to be functioning properly. It does give you some protection over the camera area. So it is just ever so slightly, this edge that is built up on the case is ever so slightly higher than the, I guess, the bezels on the cameras. So it is a little bit higher, not by much, but it is a little higher to protect that. These ones seem to be fairly close to flush, fairly close to even. If anything, the cameras might stick out just a little bit farther. If we take a look at, there was that opening at the top. There are two little holes up here for something, but those are to be exposed. If we take a look at the bottom, charging port, speaker, and then there's, I believe, a microphone down here as well. The S Pen, it does come in and out fairly easily, so opens and closes nice and easy. So there you guys have it, my quick look and a review. If you guys want to check out this product, I will have a link in the description below. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Hope to see you in the next one. Peace.